The highly anticipated CES 2025 has arrived, and Dreame Technology has made a grand entrance with the theme All Dreams in One Dreame. Dreame's robot vacuum lineup stole the spotlight with groundbreaking innovations, including an automatic robotic arm capable of changing and utilizing various cleaning tools. This advanced design features Dreame's first bionic multi-joint robotic arm technology, paired with the built-in cleaning tool accessory compartment. The arm extends up to 30 centimeters, significantly enhancing cleaning reach. The X50 Ultra, winner of multiple awards, features retractable legs technology, enabling it to cross obstacles up to 6 centimeters high. The X40 Ultra impressed with 12,000 pascals of suction, liftable side brushes and mops, and auto maintenance with 158-degree Fahrenheit hot water for stain removal. Its master version includes a compact base station with auto water refilling and removal. The L10S Pro Ultra and L10S Ultra Gen 2 offer 7,000 pascals of Vormax suction, duo scrub mopping technology, and ultrasonic carpet detection for precision cleaning. Meanwhile, the D10 Plus Gen 2 and D9 Max Gen 2 combine up to 6,000 pascals of suction with 2-in-1 vacuum and mop systems, customizable no-mop zones, and automatic dust collection for hands-free convenience. In outdoor cleaning, Dreame's robotic pool cleaners are making waves. The Z1 Pro, equipped with Pool Sense technology, detects pool shapes for optimized zoning and uses S-shaped cleaning routines for maximum efficiency. Real-time underwater control via Li-Fi communication ensures seamless operation. The J1 handles surface cleaning with smart path planning, dual side brushes, and 24/7 operation, while the Z1 features 8,000 GPH suction, intelligent navigation, and auto poolside parking with 4 cleaning modes. For windows, Dreame introduced the C1 Station, a window cleaning robot combining advanced fusion sensors, 5 work modes, and effective corner cleaning for spotless results. Indoors, Dreame's cordless stick vacuums redefine cleaning efficiency. The Z20 and Z20 Station provide 250 air-watt suction with a 90-minute runtime and a 3-liter dust removal hub for automated emptying. The Z30 offers 310 air-watt suction, a 90-minute runtime, and real-time cleaning feedback, making it perfect for pet fur and edge-to-edge cleaning. The Z40 Station includes 310 air-watt suction, dual batteries for 160 minutes of runtime, a HEPA filter, Omni brush, spin spray mop for spills, and a 3-liter dust removal hub. For specialized cleaning, the H12 Pro Flex Reach features 180-degree lie flat reach, 18,000 pascals of suction, Tangle Cut technology, and 194-degree Fahrenheit hot water washing and drying. The H14 adds strong suction, hot water self-cleaning, and dual-edge technology for corners. The H15 Pro Heat stands out with gap-free AI-lifting robotic arm, 185-degree Fahrenheit hot water cleaning, AI-conditioned drying, 212-degree Fahrenheit self-cleaning, Tangle Cut technology, and glide wheel movement for unmatched precision. Dreame's innovations extend to personal care with luxurious hairstyling systems. The Miracle hairdryer features magnetic nozzles, quick drying, and intelligent temperature control to prevent heat damage. The AirStyle Pro is a 7-in-1 styler with curling, volumizing, and smoothing. The Glory Pro, the world's first essence-infused hairdryer, is ultra-quiet and weighs just 0.76 pounds, while the Pocket Pier is a portable option with a folding handle weighing only 0.66 pounds. Navi also debuted its flagship electric scooters, the ST3 Pro and the GT3 Pro, showcasing cutting-edge designs for modern urban commuting. These scooters earned UL's Micro-Mobility Performance Verification and TÜV's Range of Max Speed certification, highlighting their exceptional efficiency and engineering.